Hey, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to show you something that just came back from paint not too long ago. Look at this beautiful paint job on one of our toy haulers. It reminds me of the ocean. Just gonna walk around this, give you an idea of what we can do here with the beautiful high-end luxury paint jobs. So just walking around here, getting an idea. Here's something that you can do when you get into your Luxe luxury toy hauler fifth wheel. So give us a call, ask us about our paint, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.